Hey, real estate pros, this is BT Norman, owner of Norman Home Inspections, your local Chicagoland and suburbs home inspection team. I want to talk to you today about what we call mobile-friendly home inspections. You see, everything we do today is on your device that you're holding in your hand right now. Calls, texts, emails, payments, banking, we do it all right here. That's why it's critical for every business, yours, mine, everyone's, to invest in a mobile client experience. At Norman Home Inspections, we've made everything mobile. Our clients receive text messages to pay online, sign agreements, view their reports. Listing and buyer's agents get reminders via text and email about the inspection. Once the report is sent, it gets even more mobile friendly. First of all, the report can be read on your phone. It's very similar to reading through Instagram, as the pictures and videos are the perfect size to view on the phone. Your favorite feature, though, will be the repair request builder. You don't have to copy text from a PDF to an email of defects that you want your client's attorney to negotiate. You simply check the defects you want to send over, add a credit amount if you want a credit, click finish, and add the email of the attorney and the client, and you're done. This feature may literally save you an hour on every transaction. That's time you could be reaching out to more clients, hanging with your family, or enjoying this beautiful weather with a cocktail on your patio. If you're looking for an inspection team that is striving to save you time and create a client experience that is fast, easy, and mobile, we would love to partner with you. Comment below and we will reach out to you today.